I wonder if I force this. Oh, wonderful. Oh, that's real good. Shoot, shouldn't have touched it. Oh boy. Hear it filling? So, spraying like a lawn fountain. Shoot. Need a new one, I guess. Kind of late, 9 o'clock at night. It's filling. It's just gonna freaking flood the place. And there's no place for the water to drain. The drain stops right there, or starts right there. I brush your back. Only way to get it to fill is to spray the whole place. Very nice. Got to flood the place to get the water into the boiler. There it comes. Jiminy crickets. Hang up! Before it catches fire. Poof! What a racket! What a racket! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Not sure what's worse, Christmas songs on the radio? No water. Bring it up. Something just blew off. Just blew something. Yeah, the blow-off valve just popped. Oh, jeez. Why would it pop if there's no water coming up the drain? Friggin' racket. Shut the frig up. It's worse than bloody Christmas music. So what happened is the pop-off valve popped off at 30 pounds. That's what that valve is set for. But I don't know why I'm not getting any water coming out of here. To build the system up, you got to purge the air. And the way you purge the air is you go to the end of the line, turn the water on at the beginning. I've done this before. Now I got a friggin' mess. I got a vacuum cleaner that's going to blow sky high soon. Yay! Friggin' piece of junk. I got water everywhere. A freezing cold basement on a cold night, well below freezing. I can't turn the heat on if I don't get regulators leaking like crazy. What? Boiler drains leaking like crazy. Well, at least my solder joints aren't leaking. But I don't know why I don't have any water coming out of here. The system is so full, nothing. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Well after 9 o'clock. Bah humbug. I missed something? Did I close one of these valves? Oh, oops. Can't tell if it's open or closed. Yeah, it's closed. No wonder. Retard alert. Retard alert. Yeah, it's a friggin' retard alert. No wonder. There we go. I can open that thing up again and spray water everywhere like a friggin' fountain. Retard alert. Should be watering any minute. All right. I'll keep you posted.